Hi there, Sandra here. I'm doing a video today just to show you how to connect your Siser cutter. What you want to do first of all is go to your cutter and switch it on. Go to settings, choose Wi-Fi, and at the very top of that screen when it opens up you'll see connection. It will then say whatever Wi-Fi network name that you've attached to, and then there will be a series of numbers. Copy those numbers down and put them somewhere in a notebook and take it to your laptop or desktop, whatever it is that you're using to connect. So when you get to the program itself, what you need to do is, just need to click on there, go to Cutter, which is right at the top up here, and go to My Cutter, Manage Cutters, and there's a drop down list of all the machines that Shortcuts Lot will connect to. And you go down that list until you find Siser, and then you simply click on Add and it will come up in this box here. And at the moment I'm using a beta version, the model numbers don't appear here. So you click on Done. Come up to Cutter and you'll see under the General tab there's a list of 2 machines that you can choose from for Siser. And you've got settings in there. I'll go to those in a minute. And then down here under port, so you've got the model, you've got connection, you want TCP IP if you're doing Wi-Fi, and then it comes up with port underneath and you fill in that number that you've just jotted down. You can't see mine because I'm blanking it out, but that's where you put the number. Over here we have a test connection button. If you press that, you will get, hopefully, as long as everything's working, you will get the machine to very, very slightly shift the carriage. It tends to have a momentary pause and then it goes, oh yeah, I'm connected. And then it just does a quick little wiggle of the carriage. And that shows you that your connection is done. So after that, you can go to your settings and you can alter your various things. You don't alter this lot. You might want to alter the measurements if you're using inches or centimeters or millimeters, whatever it is. You might want to alter that. Don't alter anything else. And then you can alter your registration marks. So you can choose to mark the offset around the design, the inset from print bands, or the inset from page bands. So that depends on which version you want to do. You can set the offset amount. So you can go down to 0.1 centimeter, millimeter. So that's pretty much right next to the object that you're doing. I've got mine normally set to 0.25 and that is it. And then click OK. There are 21 other videos in a series of scale bite size videos that I've done in a playlist, and that will take you through the majority of the functions in Shortcuts Lot. Bear in mind that these are done before Shortcuts Lot 6 came out. There will be some extra ones to be done, which hopefully I won't take too long to get around to, but most of them are still pretty much as you would expect. There will be different changes to certain functions. Things like the rhinestone function has more functionality in it in version 6 than it had in version 5. So I will be doing videos on the differences as well, but this is just to get you up and running. Okay, that is it. Hope you've enjoyed this and hope you watch the other ones so that you can learn Shortcuts Lot from beginners to pro. Take care now.